Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically clean up those crowded member join notifications in your Telegram group. And I'll also walk you through how to turn off those contact join Telegram alerts on your phone. By the end of this video, you'll have a much tidier group chat that feels way less cluttered, and you'll know how to keep your own notifications streamlined. So if your Telegram is starting to look more like a bulletin board than a place for real conversation, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to tackle those join messages that pop up in your Telegram group whenever someone new enters. These notifications can add up really fast, especially in active groups, and before you know it, the actual chat gets buried under a mountain of join alerts. Luckily, Telegram offers a clever workaround in the form of a bot which does the cleaning for you. Start by heading to the search bar inside Telegram. Type in @remove join group MSG bot, and yes, that's exactly how it's spelled. This bot is designed specifically to clear out those member join notifications, helping keep your group neat and focused. Once you've found the bot, just tap Start to activate it. Don't worry, that's a standard step with Telegram bots, and it's basically how you let the bot know you're ready to use it. It might greet you with a message or a quick intro, just follow along. The crucial part comes next. Adding the bot to your group, find your group, manage members, or add member feature, then search for @remove join group MSG bot in the add field. Once you've added the bot as a group member, it automatically looks out for new join alerts and cleans them up, often in real time. It's a bit like hiring someone to tidy up your group so you can focus on the actual conversations. Keep in mind, you might see the bot request permissions to delete messages, so make sure you grant it the access it needs, or it won't be able to do its job. Don't worry if you're not sure about the permissions. Telegram will usually explain what the bot is asking for. Alright, now that your group is set to stay clutter-free, let's clear things up on your own personal notifications. Ever get those little alerts like John joined Telegram or Sarah is now on Telegram? They can get distracting, especially if you have lots of contacts coming on board. The good news, you can turn this off right from your Telegram app. Go ahead and launch Telegram, then tap the 3 horizontal lines, usually in the top left corner. That opens up the main menu. Look for Settings and give that a tap. Inside Settings, you'll find a section called Notifications and Sounds. This area is basically the control center for everything that pings or buzzes on your device from Telegram. Scroll down until you spot something labeled Events. Within that section, you'll see an option for Contact Join Telegram. Just toggle this off. Once you do, Telegram will stop sending those alerts when someone from your contacts list joins the app. This doesn't affect group messages or important alerts, just the ones about your contacts, so your phone should feel a little less busy, and you won't miss out on things that truly matter. And that's it, you've successfully cleaned up join notifications in your group and on your phone. Your Telegram experience should feel way more streamlined now. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I check all of them and I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.